Looking for a smarter, space-saving way to clean your dishes? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 portable dishwashers of 2026, featuring the best compact and countertop models designed for modern kitchens. From energy-efficient performance to powerful cleaning in a small footprint, these dishwashers make life easier, save time, and keep your kitchen spotless. Let's dive in and find the perfect model for your home. Introducing the Washriva, the compact countertop dishwasher designed specifically for small kitchens and modern lifestyles. This sleek and efficient appliance packs powerful cleaning performance into a space-saving design, making it perfect for apartments, tiny homes, or any kitchen with limited counter space. With multiple wash cycles, energy-efficient operation, and intuitive controls, Washriva handles everything from everyday dishes to stubborn pots and pans, ensuring sparkling clean results every time. Its compact yet spacious interior can accommodate several place settings at once, while its quick setup and easy-to-use design make it ideal for busy households. The Washriva also features quiet operation, so you can run a load anytime without disturbing your home environment. Whether you're tackling dinner plates after a family meal or keeping your kitchenware sanitized, this dishwasher combines convenience, efficiency, and smart design in one compact package. Meet the Shabosh Portable Dishwasher, a smart, affordable solution designed for smaller households and modern living. Built for those who want the convenience of a dishwasher without the high cost or permanent installation, Shabosh delivers reliable cleaning performance in a compact, space-saving design. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and kitchens where every inch of space matters. Despite its compact size, the Shabosh Portable offers powerful cleaning cycles that effectively remove grease, food residue, and everyday messes. With easy-to-use controls and multiple wash modes, it handles plates, cups, and utensils with ease, helping you save time and effort after every meal. Its efficient water usage also makes it an eco-friendly choice for budget-conscious households. Designed for convenience, this portable dishwasher features simple setup and flexible placement, allowing you to move it wherever you need it. Quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your daily routine, while its durable build promises dependable performance over time. The Shabosh Portable Dishwasher proves that clean dishes don't have to come at a high price. Affordable, practical, and easy to use, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking for budget-friendly cleaning without compromising on everyday convenience. The Macco Portable Dishwasher, a compact household solution designed to simplify everyday life in smaller homes. Created for modern households, apartments, and busy lifestyles, Macco delivers dependable dishwashing performance without the need for a full-size built-in unit. It's the perfect balance of convenience, efficiency, and space-saving design for anyone who wants clean dishes without extra hassle. The Macco Portable is thoughtfully engineered to handle daily dishwashing needs with ease. Despite its compact footprint, it offers ample interior space for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, making it ideal for small families, couples, or individuals. Multiple wash programs allow you to choose the right cycle for light rinses or heavier loads, ensuring consistently clean results after every use. Ease of use is at the heart of Macco's design. Its intuitive control panel makes operation simple, while quick setup and portability mean it can be placed wherever it's needed. Whether you're working with limited kitchen space, renting an apartment, or looking for a flexible dishwashing option, Macco adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. Efficiency is another standout feature. The Macco Portable uses water and energy wisely, helping reduce utility costs while still delivering effective cleaning performance. Quiet operation allows you to run cycles during the day or night without disruption, making it a practical choice for shared living spaces or compact homes. Built with durability and everyday reliability in mind, the Macco Portable Dishwasher is designed to support your routine, not complicated. From daily meals to weekend gatherings, it helps keep your kitchen organized, clean, and stress-free. The Macco Portable isn't just a dishwasher. It's a smart, compact solution for modern households. For those who value efficiency, flexibility, and simplicity, Macco brings powerful dishwashing performance into a space-friendly design that fits perfectly into everyday life. Introducing the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0, the ultimate compact cleaning solution for modern, space-conscious living. Designed for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, and busy lifestyles, Capsule 2.0 delivers powerful dishwashing performance in a sleek, minimal footprint. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants the convenience of a dishwasher without the size or complexity of a traditional unit. Despite its compact design, the Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0 offers efficient, targeted cleaning cycles that handle everyday dishes with ease. Plates, cups, utensils, and small cookware come out clean and ready to use, while smart water and energy usage help keep operating costs low. Its user-friendly controls make daily operations simple, even for first-time users. Setup is quick and hassle-free, allowing you to place the Capsule 2.0 wherever it fits best in your space. Quiet operation ensures it won't interrupt your routine, making it ideal for shared or open living environments. Meet the Hermitlux HMX-DW03, a compact countertop dishwasher designed for modern kitchens and maximum convenience. Featuring a built-in water tank, this unit requires no direct plumbing, making it perfect for apartments, small homes, dorms, or RV living. Just fill the tank, load your dishes, and enjoy hassle-free cleaning anytime. Despite its space-saving size, the Hermitlux HMX-DW03 delivers powerful and efficient cleaning performance with multiple wash programs to handle everyday dishes, glasses, and utensils. Its user-friendly controls make operations simple,